want to be like that. I'm gonna get over one lane to the right, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. This is a double right turn. I'm in the inside lane. You must stay in your lane. If I go wide, I'm gonna hit this truck. So I look to the left, it's clear, we have a red, so I come up and stop for a second. I check traffic, and then I'm in the inside lane, and I'm up to speed. You're gonna see this car cut me off. You see the setup game? That's what happens, okay? There's another truck speeding. You see the cutoff game. I'm telling you facts. Get us over one lane to the right, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. And when I see cars who don't have their windows clean, I stay away from them, right? And then I'm gonna get back over one lane to the right, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. A blinking yellow means proceed with caution. So you're learning real life situations. We saw an accident on the expressway. We saw a truck that did not have proper taillights. We saw another vehicle with the four-ways on. You saw cars cut me off, cut other cars off. For what? Because they're late? You have to learn to be smooth and take your time. And let's talk about gravity. We're going uphill. You can hear the motor straining a little bit. And then we're gonna go downhill, okay? And we're just scanning the intersection because it's still night/early morning. You can see cars that's cut left, cut right. I'm maintaining smooth speed. I'm gonna get over one lane to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I'm a state certified instructor if you didn't know. And I'm giving you the perspective of a beginning driver in these unusual, or they're not unusual, but these situations that do pop up, and I'm blessed to show you this because you're gonna learn. If you watch my content all the way through, whoa, see that truck? So I'm just lifting my foot. I'm not trying to get cut off. I'm gonna flash my lights to see. This tells the driver that it's okay. They should flash their lights, just communicating. If not, it's all good. I'm gonna go ahead and get over one lane to the right, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Stay away from trucks. We will do a special tutorial on semi trucks. I have some good friends who are truck drivers, and we're gonna interview them. So I'm maintaining that nice safe speed. You can see cars just cutting over left and right. I'm gonna go ahead and get over one lane to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Wow, you see this car? This is an erratic lane changer. Where are we going today, bro? It's not even that serious. And I'm just being smooth. You see cars cutting over left, right, left. You don't want to be that type of driver. I hope this brought you value. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I really hoped you learned something today. Subscribe to my channel, leave comments, and then we're gonna go through this journey together. Thank you.